Today in the grain market, soybeans were lower. There is more farmers selling, putting some pressure on the futures. Plus, there's a favorable 10-day weather forecast in Brazil, also adding to the pressure. Today, the futures had a 10-cent range between 9.84 and a quarter and 9.93 and a half, but it's still staying in that same 30-cent channel that we've been in really for a little while now. So from 9.75 to 10.05. So $10 is really the technical objective with the highest open interest there. So something to watch as we're going forward. Right now, they're also selling most of the options coming into January as well. That kind of is an indication that the market has kind of like reached its objective. CVOL are the soybeans is at 15.8%, with the oil at 32.7 and meal at just 23%. Corn did firm up as the traders are adding to their long positions. So all the money managers are still buying it up here. Futures had a high today of 4.45, and that's up 3 cents on the day. There is strong demand, and that's keeping that uptrend intact. Option open interest added about 1,200 to the call side, but it's important to say that we are still in that channel there, the 20-cent channel between 430 and 450, and we've been there for a little while as well. And until we break out of that, I mean, it looks like the market's going to continue to move sideways. CVOL in the corn is at 15.2%. Wheat today was higher on the Russian production is really struggling there. Poor weather at critical times is really hurting the crop for right now, and it's adding to the support for our market here. Today we're up 8 cents. At one point we got up to 5.59 and a quarter. So we're still in that 30-cent range for the past couple of weeks, but the market is still looking stronger than it had been in a while. Important to note that the March added 3,700 calls to the option open interest, adding to that $7 strike. The $7 has the highest open interest in that March contract, which is kind of like a head scratcher there. But there are 17,000 open interest. With second in line is that $6 strike at 8,000. So something to be thinking about as we go forward. CVOL is at 23.6% on that wheat contract.